Today, I would be going over the second part of this video, as I would be revealing another super entry method different from the previous method, in order to help you gain more financial freedom in the market. Make sure you watch till the end, as I would be going over a lot of errors to avoid when using this strategy. And before I forget, please smash the like button and subscribe, as it really helps the channel grow. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Okay guys, in case you just found this video, check the link on the description below to get the first entry to this strategy, as we won't be going over that here, but we would be going over the Aroon 2.0 strategy application on this video, to show you how you could maximize your profits using just one indicator. Be sure to note that we are still on the United States dollar Japanese yen, and we are using the 4-hour time frame. Like I said in my previous video, this strategy works well on higher time frame, so you could tweak the settings to find good entry points on the lower time frame as well. Let's go ahead and add the indicator to our chart. Bring up the indicator panel. I want you to search for the Aroon indicator, add it to the chart as it is the only indicator we would be using on this video. Now I know some of you might have an issue using just one indicator to decide trades, which is really not a good idea. But before you conclude on that, like I said on the previous video, you could apply this method with other indicator to build up a good trading strategy. So we won't be back testing this strategy. So make sure to check out the trading idea playlist where we uploaded videos like this, as we test single indicators to see how well they perform on the financial market. So let's go on and adjust the settings for this indicator, since this video is all about second entry towards the previous version of the strategy. Therefore, we would be using the same settings for this as well. So double click on the indicator to bring up the settings panel, then on the style, change Aroon up to green and Aroon down to red, as this is the only changes we will be making on this indicator. Now click on the OK button to apply the settings on the indicator. Now let's go ahead and finish the setup for the indicator, as we would be adding 2 band line to the indicator to better gauge the market momentum. Why we do this is because we know sometimes how annoying it could get, going for days without having any signal to trade. So we created this second part of entry to enable us take more trade in the financial market. Now, add the first band line to the indicator and set it values to 50, and we will be adding the second band line to our chart, as we would also be setting the values to 100. So the concept towards this method is for us to take entries when we have the Aroon cross below the 50 band line. Now we are equipped with the settings. Let's quickly go over the rules for entry, as well as going through detailed explanation on errors to avoid while using this strategy. For a buy trade to be valid, we need to have the Aroon cross below the 50 band line, as we would want to see the green Aroon cross above the red Aroon, while it's below the 50 band line as our first confirmation. Then we would want to wait till we see the green Aroon remain on the 100 band line after we get our second candlestick, before we enter trade at the peak of the trigger candlestick. Our stop loss is at the recent swing low, while our take profits can be set using any values of choice, as we are yet to determine the values of take profit level for this strategy. You can as well drop your take profit levels on the comments section when you backtest this strategy on your own with different time frame and settings, to enable other traders try it out. Okay guys, now let's go over some errors to avoid before taking decision to make use of this strategy. Now this is a bonus tip. I would consider you should try it out when testing out this strategy, so consider yourself as being lucky for watching up until this moment. So we need to have the cross below the 50 band line as first confirmation. Then we would also want to see the Aroon line rejection on the 100 band line, as we would then hunt for possible reversal entries. So try and find a good reversal indicator if you must add this to your setup. As we can see here, we had the red Aroon cross above the green Aroon while the cross happened below the 50 band line, and as we can see, the red Aroon momentum got rejected on the 100 band line, as this could indicate possible reversal in price, and we could see that price action confirmed the reversal. So make sure to add a good reversal indicator to the chart. Now exactly the opposite is true for short entries, as we would want to see the red Aroon cross above the green Aroon, while it happens below the 50 band line, then we would want to wait till we see the red Aroon remain on the 100 band line after we get our second candlestick. Before we enter trade at the bottom of the trigger candlestick, our stop loss is at the recent swing high, while our take profits can be set using any values of choice, as we are yet to determine the values of take profit level for this strategy. Like I said earlier, you can as well drop your take profit levels on the comments section when you backtest this strategy on your own with different time frame and settings to enable other traders try it out. This strategy is really simple and effective. Combining both would really profit you in the long run. Do not forget to check out our spreadsheet, as link to the spreadsheet is on the description below. In order to get link to our top 8 strategies, do well to check back daily, as we develop and test new different strategies online. Okay traders, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.